Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the most common cause, wrong clock. Set the correct date, time, and time zone on your device. This ensures certificate validity checks match server timestamps. If possible, sync with an internet time server for accuracy. Once done, close all browser windows. Some caches hold old TLS state, then reopen the browser and try the site. If you are on a corporate device, make sure you have admin rights or ask IT before changing system settings. Now you troubleshoot browser and network specifics. Clear the cache and cookies for the affected site so no stale certificate or redirect data remains. Disable extensions that intercept traffic, like privacy or proxy add-ons, or use incognito mode to test a clean profile. If the error persists, try a different browser and another device. Then switch networks, use mobile hotspot, so you can tell if the problem is local, ISP-related, or server-side. These steps for final remediation: examine the certificate chain in your browser's security panel to see expired or mismatched issuers. Update router firmware, or remove any custom HTTPS intercepting certificate if present. Flush your DNS cache and restart networking services to remove stale records. If all local checks pass, contact the website owner with details from the security panel. One key troubleshooting tip: if a different network or device loads the site fine, the issue is on your end. Focus on local certificates, router, or DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.